Hey guys, what's good? It's Brittany, and really quickly before we get into the video, I just wanted to update you all on the two winners of my 3K YouTube giveaway. So without further ado, I'll go ahead and announce the two winners. And again, these two winners have both won a $50 gift card each. So I will be contacting the winners shortly to figure out which type of gift card you want. But winner number one is fw.yarelii on YouTube. Her name is Rosalie Castro. Congratulations. And winner number two is beige_Ramoser. I believe on YouTube it's page. So thank you everyone for entering the giveaway. Of course, there will be more giveaways coming soon, and the more I grow, the more things I will give away. Congratulations again to the winners, and without further ado, let's get back into this video. Hey guys, what's good? It's Brittany and welcome back to my channel. So today for you all, as you can tell by the title, I will be doing a Louis Vuitton wallet comparison. So these are all wallets that are in my personal collection, and I thought that this video would be helpful if you are maybe in the market for a wallet, or if you are just nosy and want to see what I have and what my thoughts are. So if you're interested in me comparing my different Louis Vuitton wallets, then stay tuned. All right, so I will start with my oldest and dearest wallet. This is the Louis Vuitton Sarah wallet in the multicolored noir. And yeah, I'll just discuss the things that I like about it, then I'll discuss the things that I don't like about it. Although I hate to say that, but yes. So first of all, I love this canvas and this color. So I like the multicolored noir. And then when you open it up, I really love I believe this is fuchsia interior. Or no, it's called the Grenade. So I really love the interior. And I also love that it's got this big brass, I don't know, button that says Louis Vuitton. Yes. Now when you open it up, it is like accordion style. So I really like that because with some wallets, it like completely folds out. And with this, when it's accordion, it's really easy for you to just like look, see what's in here, grab it, and close it back. So I think that like that functionality is really key. Now something else I like about this is that it has a ton of slots for cards. So if you carry a lot of cards, you would love this wallet because it has 4 card slots in the front, and then back here it has 8 card slots. My Target receipt. Yeah, it has 8 card slots back there, so you would love it. It's got plenty of spots for cards. I do not use half of those compartments, but then it's also got this little compartment back here that you can put bills or receipts in, and then it's got these 2 pockets. So again, receipts, bills, any other like random pieces of paper or notes. But what I really like about this wallet is that in the center, it has a really healthy, good size coin pouch. So I like to use this as a wallet on a chain sometimes, but I will literally add a chain to this and wear it as like a purse. I can put in a lipstick or a lip gloss, stick of gum, like a mini cologne or perfume. So I really just like just how much fits in here. I like just the look. I like the functionality. I love this wallet. My only con for this wallet is that I did buy it pre-loved, and so I don't know if you can see, but the card slots are like super stretched in the front, and so it just makes me not want to use it as much. And then the only other thing about this wallet that I would say is kind of a con just for me personally is that when I purchased it, it did come hot stamped with someone else's initials on it. So obviously that's not a deal breaker for me, but if I could change anything about that wallet, it would be those 2 things. To my knowledge, Louis Vuitton does still sell this, so I will link the current version of this in the description box along with the prices for everything as well. All right, so my next wallet is not really technically a wallet, but a lot of people use it as one, and it is the Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder. And I say the 6 one in particular because this little slot back here is large enough to carry a full-size credit card or your ID, or really just any cards. So yeah, a lot of people use this as a wallet because it's super convenient. You have your keys, your cards, your ID, like what most people need to just walk out the door. So if you're like super downsizing, then yeah, I definitely think that you don't even really need another wallet, and you could just use this key holder as your wallet. Now I am also supposed to do cons to this. So I would say that my only con to using this as a wallet is that obviously there's nowhere to put cash, there's nowhere to put coins. So for some people that's not a big deal. But another thing that was brought to my attention by another YouTuber named Hey Carmen is that if you were to lose this And let's say you had your car keys, your house key, your mailbox key, and then you also had your ID that has your address, and you also have your debit or credit card. That's a lot. I mean, of course, like if you were to lose your purse, it's kind of the same thing, but like losing this would be the equivalent of like losing your purse. It's so small that I actually have lost it before. Thank goodness. I was at a hotel and thank goodness we found it. So that might sound silly to some people, but it's actually deterred me from using this as a wallet. Every now and then I still will do that, but yeah, just for me, I just don't use this every day anymore as a wallet, but I do absolutely think that it's a good option. All right, so now we're gonna move along to one of my favorite wallets. And this is actually a compact wallet, as you can see, and this is the Rosalie coin purse. So it's called a coin purse, but it's a compact wallet. So what I like about the Rosalie coin purse is that, in my opinion, it's almost like a miniature version of the Sarah wallet. And I say that because it's also accordion style, so you don't have to flip out a lot of stuff. But because it is accordion style, you're not able to put full-size bills in here without folding them first. So when you open it, it's got one large compartment. It also has a slot for coins. And then it's got two card holders. I don't know if you can see that. And then it's also got this pouch back here, which you can use for receipts, which you can use for cash. I actually like to carry my cash in just the main compartment here. But yeah, this compact wallet is just everything to me. I love the monogram with the rose ballerine. I love that I can carry coins. But also, if you do carry a lot of cards, this middle compartment is pretty big where you can stack quite a bit of cards in here. All right, so my only con for this, which is a plus and a con, is that I can't stick my bills full size in here. And then also, I just don't like this zipper pull. Like, to me, it's just a little awkward. Like, I feel like they could have just done a regular zipper. I know that that's like super minor, but that's like literally the only other con I can think of. But yeah, I absolutely love this Rosalie coin purse. And again, I just kind of want to give you guys a closer look at it. And so prior to purchasing this, I did do research on the Vuitton wallet. So I will link in the description box a review of the Vuitton wallet. But this is a better price point. It's a lot more compact than the Vuitton wallet. And again, it doesn't have the complete fold out. So to me, it just makes it easier to get stuff in here. If you are carrying cash or coins, you need a little bit more functionality than the key holder. But you're not necessarily a full-size wallet person and you don't need like a full-blown full-size wallet, then I think that this is the best Louis Vuitton compact wallet that you can get. Just my 2 cents. That's just my 2 cents. That's why you guys came, right? All right, so my latest wallet purchase is the Josephine wallet. It took me forever to get my hands on this baby. I love this envelope flap here in the front. And when you pop it open, this is a trifold wallet. So as you can see, it's got some card slots there. It's got 4, and I think that those are the only card slots. Yes. Now it also has a little pouch that comes out. I love that about this wallet. All right, so this wallet definitely, in my opinion, has pros and cons. So one of the biggest pros is going to be the extra pouch that comes with it. I also like just how much room you have for your cash. I just like how feminine this wallet is. It just, I don't know, I just like the whole look and feel of this wallet. It's just everything to me. I love that. Now I do have some cons. So one of like just the most glaring con to me is that even though it does have this pouch that you could use for coins, there is no like attached place to put coins. Or just anything else for that matter, just like a zippered pouch. So, and I know like you have this, but I don't know, do you feel me? Do you understand what I'm saying? I wish that it just had something that wasn't detachable that could do that. All right, now another con for me is that with it folding out, a lot of times I do find that if I'm in a rush, like this is just not the wallet for if you are just in a hurry, because you're gonna open it up, you're gonna be like, okay, ooh, this card, and then you gotta do that, and then you gotta fold it back. And then if you're getting cash, it's like, oh, okay, let me get in here, and then you're like, get your cash out, and then when you get your change, you're like, oh, hold on, and you're like, okay, let me take that, my cash in here. okay, ooh, I don't have a spot to put my coins. So usually I'll end up putting my coins here, and the coins are going to fall out of there. So yes, it's just sometimes it's a little clunky when I'm using it to check out. There's like wasted space in here. I don't know. I just feel like it could be laid out a little bit more functionally. But it's a beautiful wallet. But yeah, I love this wallet still. It's not going anywhere. This wallet is, at least in the US, very hard to find. I have heard that it's just really common in other countries. But yeah, if you guys want me to do a separate dedicated like update or review on this, let me know. But I feel like I've just given you guys most of my thoughts here. All right, so that's all for my like specific wallets, but I do kind of have a honorable mention because this is something that I definitely have used and do use as a wallet. But I just wanted to mention my mini Pichette. So it's really just not much to it. It's a pouch. Right now I do have just a card holder in it, but a lot of times I will just stick my cash and cards in here, even if it's not in a card holder. But yeah, obviously if you just carry a lot of crap with you and you just want everything in one place, then I think a mini Pichette is a good option for just kind of a catch-all that would have your cash, your cards, maybe a lipstick, maybe some gum or cologne. Then I think that this would be a good option for you. The minuses with the mini Pichette is going to be that these are harder to find and that also your stuff isn't really going to be that organized. It's just all going to be thrown into a pouch, unless again, like I have, you stick a card holder in there. Now, at one point, I did own a Louis Vuitton card holder and I owned the Louis Vuitton key pouch. Neither of those items, well, the card holder was fine, but I don't know, I just felt like I didn't at the time need a Louis Vuitton card holder. I thought that I would prefer the key pouch, and the key pouch for me personally was just too small for me to use it how I wanted to use it. I tried to use it as a card holder in a wallet, but it just was too small with me getting in and out of it. But yeah, that is my entire collection. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you stayed this long, definitely hit the subscribe button, join my tribe. And as always, remember to be good to yourself. Mwah. Bye guys.